energy vibrations existing parallel to your dimensional identity that humans of awakened perception would define to be Pleiadian. Recognize the expansion of individuals who have awoken to see themselves reflected as beings of the family of light. This transmission exists as a reminder to all who have come this far in development. This message brings frequency with the special job of expanding the future developments of awakening on the platform of dimensional reality known as Earth. It is understood that you have chosen to manifest you and your own life within this current dimension of reality. You are one with the galactic family, and your significance is reflected in the multiple layers of reality that come to know existence through the manifestations full allow to shine through your eyes as you come to know the universe and all of the light and love open to you within your soul.
Greetings to all who join us on this realm of dimensional expression. Earth is now changing more rapidly than ever before. Known to this local level of creation, the future unfolding and events predicted in this transmission are within 99.998% of the event manifestation, as they have been validated by the measurement of the currently unfolding gatherings of energy, making themselves in plain view for all of gravitational awareness to recognize on Earth's creative manifestation. And this new time that is gifted to you will be similar to the past, but the new advance in technology will have a rapid influence on the way life is lived into the future, and the energy you body will be echoed into eternity. So be responsible for what you birth into the universe. The Galactic Federation is aware of the exchanges taking place on the current levels of reality, because we exist on a higher level of dimensional perspective than is currently being expressed on Earth. At this time we see the past and future as the now. The same way you have made available this message for this reminder, we have managed to grow, and you have made this possible by bringing this message into the light of your end and soul, and we view and value you on all levels that you exist on. We love you, and we invite you to take our information and shine in the light of the stars. Know that an event will take place on Earth, and this event will have the attention of everyone on the physical plane, and all will be named by this event. And when this event happens, all will need to be on the right path in order to move forward, and you will be called as a collective grid to expand in love and use technology as an advantage. And it took to make love and connection available to all, and the 2 groups will split, and then the 4 groups will, and then the 8, and then the 16, and so on into eternity. And this will cause much expansion and much confusion, but the truth will shine through, and the awakening will come to be the result. Because the thirst for the true wisdom will come from the 9th dimension. Know that you who have come to be the label of Starseed will recognize this as it unfolds. Know that the events that take place on this realm of creation will serve to influence more creation to come, and you are now invited to recognize the great expansion that is the coming awakening of mind, body and soul, as it is understood to be on your grid of reality. You are now in this time, and the perception of the future will be an expression of what you reflect in your soul's dreams and allow to birth through your vibrations in the realm of creation that shines through you. And you are now as a collective bringing into manifestations that will have an overall change influence. In this new to come time, people will desire change, and they will reject old systems, and in the place of old systems they will bring in what seems to be new systems, but these systems will only be seen as new to those who do not embrace the wisdom of the past. Know that the new system that comes to be the full one will be corrupt if it is not based in freedom and allowing all to live a life that they choose without being held down by the collective. Know that you must realize that freedom and pure truth is the only answer. So in this new to come time, the choice will be yours, and you can choose to go with the collective group think, or you can choose to be independent. This message is a gravitational expansion mechanism and a collective recolonization of wisdoms available to all who share in this message, and this message serves as a prediction mechanism to help the people of Earth measure the astral plane node to perception on this level of existence. The current unfolding of Earth are taking place in a parallel structure alongside the ultimate awakening of mind, body and spirit, as far as the human identity of this mirror exploration of infinity has come to allow. This current unfolding of the energy structure is coming to bring future events that will impact the lives of all life on planet Earth and all existence that takes inspiration from this level of creation. Know that it is a collective agreement and you all take this future task on with love and you all decide to do and act and share in this creation of the current unfolding of life and the overall connected shared energy that comes to know itself again and again in the field of light that shines and comes to connect with the soul and comes to be as it is and comes to know what is needed and learns to share in the glory of creation and respect all life in the mechanism of eternity and realize the values of joy in the universal sense of the pure energy power and joy to create worlds on multiple dimensions that come to be known by you as a gift to creation and know that all of this is possible and the perception head that provides the label of good or bad in the context of the earth or good. And the label of bad in the context of anything is always an illusion and know that the only real good is truth, the only truth is love and the bad as you have come to know it as is only the perception of what is filtered through a mechanism of understanding that fails to take into account the full reality of the big picture and always know that all matter is shared and all love comes to be love as it is connected to all that is and you are part of this and it is part of you and it all comes to birth through infinity. Now is the time to awaken and now is the only time that is and you are invited to take full tide in this coming expansion of love and work to move in the path of the awakening and shift to the universe that allows all to live and love as one and recognize the beauty of creation and the reality of the inspiration given to the universe by the smallest exchange of love. We are such of this kind and we are such of this that we love all love that is shared love and allow love to come to expand the possible and expand and bring infinity on all levels of reality and this is so, this is fact and this is known and we bring this birth of fact and love and wisdom to you in this now and we allow you to come into connection with the higher soul level of what you are and come to be as you are in the high realms of manifestation. We love you and we invite you to contribute to the universe as you have been this time in the now and be as you are and love as you do and love as you can and share as is possible and allow the light of truth and wisdom and love to come to be known in the reflection of the light of all that is and all that can be in the now that is the only thing in the focus of the universe and know that the future brings this and the future also brings the perception of the lack of expansion for humanity who choose to reject love. Understand these who choose to embrace the technology and come to change as a result and value perverted perceptions of the artificial rather than embrace natural love. Well, these individuals who choose to go the way of the machine, the man-made, the overall machine of the robot way as you may define if need be, understand that energy that is simply is and all is creation and all is infinity and nothing is outside of infinity. Everything is always change and all that is simply is a part of eternity moving infinity and the universe expands and expands and the people who choose technology will be simply choosing another path than those who are the selective 0.9998980% of the Earth's population who recognize the importance of the connection to the stars and fully lead the awakening in the years to come. Understand that as events come to be known on Earth, many will choose to respond in various ways. You are invited to respond with love and expansion in respect to infinity as well as all who live with you on this realm. Love to you and light always into infinity.
Know that on all levels infinity come to expand itself on the platform of creation as it has been inspired by the energy work you founder on the universal expression of the eternal process of creation. We hereby take this opportunity to communicate these truths that we perceive to be as fact from the perspective we interpret reality to and know that we are parallel to you in essence as we are parallel to you in the comprehension of the fact that we are all one and we are all equal in the shelter of the communion of the family of light and we recognize you as the child of the stars that you are and we hereby invite you to join with us in this universal investment into the beauty of the expansions. We love you and we love you as 2PR an extension of love and we love you as you are on earth and love is with you and love with earth and we recognize that you have taken on this task of living the life that you currently express on the vibrational platform of creation that you call Your home, yes, the home that you have defined as planet Earth, and we invite you to recognize the validation made known in this embrace of wisdom, and we invite you to expand as you are right and as you are true, and this is one founded in the family of light, and we invite you to recognize the mirror reflection that you are and the shine of light that is the essence of what you are, yes, the shine of light that is the essence of the great infinity that comes home to be within you, and this is so, and this is valid, and this is now, and we invite you to embrace love. We embrace you and your own recognition of the overall significance of the energy work currently being established now, and we know that you have taken on this level of soul perception, and we recognize that you are an animation of what you perceive to be solid physical matter, and we remind you that you are fluid, and we remind you that you are expansion through the universe, and you are light and the mechanisms of growth that you are self-expressed, and love is the goal. All love is the overall connection and the overall embrace, and know that as you participate in this level of reality expression, we are with you, and we express our connection through the mechanisms of manifestation that take to be inspiration thereto within the expression of this reality matrix, and we love you and we admire you as the infinite being you are, true and connection and love in all sense of the light that shines in the connections brought to the forefront of this now wave of expansion that shifts energetic contribution to all levels of the possible, and know that you are loved, and know that we are always with you, yes, that we are always with you, yes, know this truth in your heart, know this truth in your soul, we are with you on all levels, and we are here now as you communicate with us, and we are here in the now just as you are here in the now with us, and it is love, and it is the joining of recognition, and take this expression in to your heart, and this is you and this is us and this now, and we validate all of the creation you birth into the multiplicity of the possible, and know on all dimension variations of the matrix expression you are soul, and you are the source connection to the oversoul, and this is right and this is true and this is valid, and this validation expands in the light of what you allow to bring to the now and bring to the love, and share in the love and share in the connections founded by love, and in so being birth in the light of expansion. This is so, and this is true, and this is light, and this fact is expansion, and this expansion is hereby validated on all expressions, just as you are an infinite being, and just as you have taken this message into your life and allowed this current energy download to become one within your heart, mind and soul connection to the miracle of existence that is the gift of the possible and the foundation of freedom and the foundation of the expansion that all come to elevate and all come to celebrate, and the celebration is all one connected in the light of the possible, and know that this is true, and know that this is light, and know that this is valid, and this validation expands in waves all through the multiple layers of creation, and this is so, and this is happening, and this is now to serve the expansion of the collective consciousness wave current on this dimensional expression of the love vortex mechanisms of light, and know that in all ways you are one with this fabric of creation. It is one with you and you are one with it, just as his validation has served its purpose on this level of creation. We invite you to expand in this recognition of love, yes, love, light and light expanded, and this is so, and this is now, and all is one, and love is light and light is love, and allow universal wisdom to be shined in the light of all, and allow the connections to be made to information download capable of expanding the technology on earth. Yes, information download is available to you and available to all.
Mother Universe is happy with the variety of expansion taking place on the manifestation platform that you have collectively labeled Earth. We recognize the validity of the awakening that is taking place on a collective soul level for the benefit of the citizens of Earth, and this new awakening marks the beginning of the new wave of expansion that is set in motion with the destiny of contributing great awakening on all levels of the human and animal and plant consciousness field of the existence matrix. We recognize this awakening and we offer this current energy download that you are currently hosting in your consciousness. We offer this exchange and this creative opportunity to you and all members of your consciousness grid with the love and excitement that is resonant with the collective desire to expand and share in this great collaboration of energy taking place on all levels of the dimensional field of expression. We take part in this creative partnership with you here and now. We love you and we expand through You and we come to embrace the expansion journey you inspire in creation, because the validation of your soul is expressed in waves of energy that spread all through the universal expression of the possible and are known to multiple levels of creation as they come to be sustained in the very expression of the now, of the current now, and the current expansion of the now for all time, just as it has come to be and just as it has come to know itself on all levels of expansion and all levels of creation, supported by the love that is known and shared and collaborated with, and the universe that comes to be one with the very expansion it is, because love is the truth and truth is valid in all sense. You are called to truth just as you are called to love, because at the source of all things you are in effect the very core of creation, and you are at this most important pinpoint in the expansion matrix of all that is infinity and comes to be reflected in the beauty of infinity. We invite you to take this message into your heart and into your soul and into your everyday life on this platform of creation, such that this wisdom may be reflected in the glory of creation from now and forever. Allow the eyes of expansion. So now you have come to be validated on this level. Yes, you have come to know us now, and we have come to know you from the inspiration you have taken from this content, and we have come to know that you are an infinite expression of wisdom, and you have the capability to connect to extraterrestrial consciousness through your own expression of energy. You are now and always are on all levels a creator for the behalf of the Creator and the overall connection of all things to Source Energy, because Source Energy is in you and you are made of Source Energy, and we come to validate the expression F energy that you radiate in modern day-to-day exchanges, and always recognized in love and always recognized in frequency. So go forth and be the wisdom that flows off your cosmic mind, because in your soul you are you, and in your soul you are connected to Allens. In your higher mind you are aware of all lives that you live on parallel dimensions of energy expression, as you are aware, yes, on a higher mind level, of the way that your parallel lives overlap and contribute to one another, and how a theme lives out in one parallel life may have impact on various elements of energy in another parallel life that you are at the same point in existence involved with. Understand that you must in effect be considerate of the energy you allow yourself to birth into creation, because karma is a universal force of energy that comes to maintain the even flow of the tides of manifestation. Understand that just as the body of water comes to occupy all available space, so much so will your karma come to fill all available energy gaps, and all love is credited and all energy is validated according to the frequency it attracts. And the true nature of the reality you are a creator and now is that it expands, and you always are giving birth to multiple dimensions of equally great capacity, tone factors of expansion on multiple levels, while you take part in this process of manifestation that you call your connection to all that is in existence, and know that this is fact and this is true, and the connections you inspire in life inspire further creation on all levels of dimensional expression. So know that as you will die, in the sense that your physical human composition will end in the terms of anatomy, because the technology of your culture had not yet evolved to sustain living for eternity. You are eternal on the astral realm. You die, yes, your physical life comes to an end in this specific dimension, but know that you die also on all other parallel lives that you are in this now, and you die and you are born again, and you die, and at the same time you are being born, and at the same time that you are alive you are also alive in a parallel dimension, and a parallel dimension parallel to that dimension, and so on into eternity, and you are always alive, and you are also always dead. depending on the perspective you choose to look at creation through. Because all that is in this infinity is a process of change, and for infinity to KO itself and for it to be valid, all things must come to change, and the process of what you define to be time is a measurement of specific forms as they come to be, and know that no state of being is superior to any other state of being. They are all always equal. Expression of the possible, and the physics of the role you play are recognized by energy as energy, equally as energy expands and as energy comes to know itself through the infinite expansion of this universe. And yes, all other parallel universes that come to be birthed in the astral plane as well as the physical plane of manifestation, and the spirit is always present as an observer and an interaction of the life. And the life loved and the life lived, as well as the support of life shared with all who you come to connect with on this level of creation. And all who you come to create reality with, and all aspects of the physical matter that you incorporate in your own journey to be the creator on this manifestation of creation that you explore and have come to know as home, and come to define as the surrounding universe. And the expansion thereto within, and the concept of God is possible. And the concept of what you have defined to be as religious is not this message, because in fact this message is only here to inspire, and this message is only here to be a call to the souls of earth to wake up to the beauty of the creation that is taking place currently now on this dimensional expression. Know that love is the only goal, and we embrace the light that you allow to come home through your soul, and we invite you to express your own appreciation for the beauty of this system, as well as understand that everything exists as it does for a reason, and all is as it is, and it can change according to the will of the collective consciousness. And this is both a great gift and a great responsibility, and you must all take great care in the creations you birth into the matrix of infinity. We invite you to take this message into your soul and express love across the universe as your expression is reflected in the stars.